My name is Wendy Sullivan. I'm a registered nurse for 42 years. I have been with Precision Pulmonary Diagnostics, otherwise known as PPD, for the last 9.5 years.
Tammy's the one who had her suspicions that I had sleep apnea.
I myself have sleep apnea and use a machine. So once I started hearing his snoring, I pretty much suspected and knew that he had some problems as well.
I'd be sleeping 8-10 hours, still wake up tired.
Drivers are tested with a device known as the WatchPat device. The device can be used in the sleeper berth of the truck or in your home, and it is a lot less invasive than the overnight sleep test that occurs in the hospital.
It's just a simple wrist device that they hook up to you overnight.
The biggest surprise that I hear from drivers after they have been diagnosed and treated with sleep apnea is they absolutely had no idea how fatigued they were. Once the body is getting enough oxygen and you are going into a deep restful sleep, other things internally improve, such as the number one was blood pressure that was very difficult to treat with antihypertensive medications, and drivers were having difficulty getting through their DOT exams even though they were on 2 or 3 blood pressure medications. That was because of untreated sleep apnea, whereby the brain releases a chemical into the body while you're sleeping to try and wake you up, and it also causes your blood pressure to go up. The other things I've noticed is that diabetes improves, heart disease and strokes, cardiac arrhythmias improve. So as a nurse, I knew that there were many other diagnoses. I knew the root cause was a sleep disorder.
The sleep apnea equipment is small, it's compact, it works in the truck, it works at home. I use it for at home, even when I take a nap, I use it.
The great part also is that they send you all the supplies every 6 months. You get a whole box of supplies, so there never is anything to purchase.
This is true. When I got my CPAP machine, I personalized it. I got it from a place that was online, cost a few bucks. I like to take my machine everywhere. It's nice to kind of to show it off.
The sleep apnea program at Schneider is set up as a preventive benefit under the United Healthcare Insurance Plan.
It's great to be working for Schneider. They want you to be healthy. They want you to be out here. If you're not healthy, you're not safe. If you're not safe, you're not healthy. Right? So, I mean, it's just one big circle. It keeps coming around.
PPD helps drivers overcome the concerns of a new diagnosis of sleep apnea with knowledge. We spend a lot of time teaching and counseling and coaching and mentoring.
My one piece of advice to the families and loved ones would be encourage them to be tested. And you definitely want your loved one to come home at the end of his driving time, so encourage them.
PPD can be contacted at a toll-free number, which is 1-866-370-3102. Our intake coordinator would be happy to help them with any questions they might have.
I would have the testing done, absolutely, because it could save your life.